Take a long deep breath. Take a long deep breath from the nostrils, slowly, gently. And then we are going to chant the word Om 3 times from the mouth. Om. Om. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tasaviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dhiyo Yonam Prachodayat. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashantu Ma Kaschit Dukh Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let's all pray to Almighty. Everybody should be healthy, wealthy, enjoy prosperity. Nobody should suffer from any ailment, whether that is physical, mental, spiritual, social, emotional. With these good thoughts, we'll start the session. Whatever you want me to do, I am here to do my seva. This is my seva, service to the humanity. So we will start. I think you want poses or you want me to do pranayama also.
Anything you want. You are the boss.
No, I can do. The thing is, first of all, whatever we do, whether we are doing pranayama steps or we are doing exercises, there are multiple benefits. Though we say we are going to do for the spine, for the backache, but while doing those, you are getting other benefits of weight reduction. And in some poses, you are going to activate your liver, your spleen, your rest alimentary tract, and the heart and lungs also. There's multiple benefits. Same for pranayama and same for the exercises. So I think yesterday she demonstrated because Sheetal wanted that 4 poses for the Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. If you want, I can do that. Otherwise, you know, we can carry on with some pranayama and then change over. I
think pranayama will be nicer, I think. Just do the pranayama might be better, I think, you know.
Okay,
you
okay.
You can explain in your own ways the way you do it, you know.
Yeah,
very nice.
The pranayama, you know, as you know, there are 8 steps. 8 steps of pranayama. But at the moment, Swamiji is advocating 5 mainly. We are very good for to raise the immunity and be happy, get rid of insomnia because people are suffering from insomnia. There's so much fear. So those 5s are very, very important. First is your Bhadrika, second is Kapal Bharti, and then Ujjayi Pranayama, because that is very good even for any allergy, like asthma. People are suffering from asthma, bronchitis, and this upper respiratory problems, cough and cold, phlegm. So Ujjayi is very good, and that is where the best one for the thyroid, parathyroid gland, and for the vocal cords. And then we go to Anulom Vilom, then Bhamri, and then Udgit, and then Pranav. Pranav is our short, silent meditation, which is a great help, great help. That's what Swamiji is advocating. Always try to do long time your meditation. Now, what is this yoga? Patanjali Rishi started this yoga. Yoga has got 8 limbs. Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan, and Samadhi. First, when they started with the idea of going into the state of Samadhi and getting rid of all these problems like physical, mental, spiritual. That is the byproduct of the yoga practice. So nowadays, people are doing more for that. If you watch Swamiji on Asta channel or Sanskar, the people who are coming there, they're all suffering from various ailments, which are quite serious, like ankylosing spondylitis, Parkinsonism, and rheumatoid arthritis. They are very, very serious. And type 1 diabetes also. People are getting better because they're working so hard. They are working so hard and with full faith and devotion. So that is very important. Have continuity, good faith in that. Technique should be proper. Timing should be adequate. So time is very short, so I can't go much in detail. So why I said about this 8 limbs of Ashtanga Yoga. Yam Niyam is a must before we start doing all this. Maybe next session I can go more in detail, but not today. So that's what we are doing now. First we do exercise. Soft, gentle exercises to make our body suitable to sit for one posture. We call it asana. You can sit on the chair if your legs don't allow you. And otherwise, you can sit on a mat on the floor with any pose, Sukhasana, Siddhasana, Padmasana, whatever your body allows you. Idea is to stay in one position for a long time. That's why we do some exercises before that to prepare ourselves. So we are doing now Bhadraka Pranayama. Lift up your spine, close your eyes, hands are still in Dhyan Mudra. Or you can do in Chin Mudra also. And try to touch your palate with the tip of the tongue. That gives you extra help because that is activating your hypothalamus, they say, or the pituitary gland. That is giving you extra help. And I am experiencing that. By doing that, you are getting more, your brain is getting more clearer. So let's do it for short time. Breathe in, breathe out from the nostril. If you are a beginner, we say do for 2.5 seconds in, 2.5 seconds out. And in the Ayurveda language, we call it the Purvak. Inhalation is your Purvak. Exhaling is your Rechak. So carry on. And make sure the chest are expanding. When we breathe in, chest is expanding because our air is going from our upper respiratory tract to our trachea, wide 2 branches of, and that going to the cells of the lungs, known as alveoli. They will open up and the exchange of gases occur there. So just concentrate on breathing. If you are beginner, 2.5 seconds in and out. If you are doing for some time, I think you can easily reach 10 seconds very easily. You can clock yourself, put a watch in front of you and see how much you can do with the time. Practice, carry on. And normally I do in my class, I put on some bhajan, which is very soothing. If you haven't got that facility, you can do your own mantra inside, any shabad, any dhun, any mantra, or just om, or whatever you believe in. What religion you believe in, you do that. Any name. That gives you extra help because God's name is like that, soothing. adding up the effect of our pranayama. So carry on breathing. This is all diaphragmatic breathing. When we breathe in, diaphragm is going down, stomach is coming out. You can do this by putting your hand there, testing yourself. And some people say it's abdominal breathing. It's not. The abdomen is coming out because the diaphragm is gone down to give more room to the lungs to expand. And when we breathe out, that is our rechak. Then the stomach goes in because diaphragm is gone up and making our lungs to throw out the air on exhalation. So carry on. Positive thinking. So many benefits of this. Pranayam, 2 words, pran and ayam. Regulation of breathing, the control of breathing. We are going to increase the oxygen level, which is going to every cell of our body through our blood. RBC, red blood cells, they take that oxygen to take it to the cell. In the cell with the sugar, oxygen going to burn the sugar and produce energy. As you are doing it, we are getting energetic. We are getting energetic. Well done. Raise your arms up, rub your palms. That will generate more heat. Urja, energy. Put it on your eyes. You are feeling the warmth on your face. This is going to increase my vision also. And then open your eyes, rub on your face. At the lower eyelids, because we get black patches there, or that area is little bit puffy, you know. And then the lateral angle of your eye. Then the eyebrows. They are all going to help for the eye muscle to have increased circulation. Get rid of any eye problem, watery eye, discharge eye. And then for good vision, not to have cataract. Then at the temporal region, because there's a big nerve there, trigeminal nerve, which gives us problem once it is inflamed. Because that supplies the whole face, you know. Up on the head, then come to this area. The tension there also, just rubbing it there. Then with these 2 fingers like we, just do like that at the level of this, the lower part of your ear. Bring it like this. You are activating your nerves of the neck. Good for your sore throat even. When you get sore throat, either you do yourself like this or ask someone. Going to activate the thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, the vocal cords. How it is working? Vagus nerve is activated. So coming to Mr. Poda, nitric oxide is coming more. Well done. Then we do acupressure point on the ear also. This is very important. There's so many points. The whole body is represented there. Just pull it up, upper part, the middle, the lower part, nicely, with a smile on the face. It's not punishment, it's treatment.
No, this is the punishment. This is
Then
increase your
hold
memory
it.
power.
clockwise, anti-clockwise. You're going to get rid of all this cough and cold, catarrh, bronchitis, asthma, any pain anywhere, whether that is arthritic pain or menstrual pain, known as dysmenorrhea, giddiness, tinnitus, and it's good for your hearing problem also. Giddiness.
Also, I think this releases lymphatic fluid from your body to fight infection in the ear infection, all this, because lymph nodes are in the ear as well. Your lymph nodes are in the ear. By pressing all these, you release the white blood cell to fight the infection. No? That makes sense? Do you hear me? No?
Yes,
Yes,
I can hear you.
yes, I can hear you. Now the next one is, you know all that, Kapalbhati, you do so many mudra, you know. But I will just ask you one thing. Now this here mudra is known as Marudan mudra, isn't it? For the spine.
This is Marudan Mudra for spine for
The
L4,
spine, to
L5.
lift up the spine, because while doing pranayam, our spine goes down. So lift it up. Do like this. And this will open up all the nadis also, the major nadis. The Ida, Pingala, and Sushmana. On the left, the moon nadi is known as Ida. And the right one is Pingala. And the center one is Sushmana. Some people call it Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. And some call it Ganga. The left one, Ganga. And this is Yamuna. And this is Saraswati. Triveni Sangam. So we want to activate that. And lift up the spine. Good for the lungs also, for the expansion of the lung. 1 stroke, 1 second. Now here I will say how much time I spend on this, on the precautions. If you're suffering from hypertension, heart problem, severe acidity, severe asthma, severe backache, or you're recovering from any ailment, please do it very, very slowly. And at the same time, I will mention when we are going to do the poses, be very careful. When you're bending forward, don't bend forward. If there is a backache, heart problem, high blood pressure, low blood pressure, and your osteopenia or osteoporosis. This is very, very important. And then you're going back. If you are suffering from hiatus hernia or acid reflux or any hernia, the small hernia doesn't matter. Sometimes people, when they go for pinhole surgery, they get pea-size hernia. That won't get harm. But if it's a big size hernia, don't go back. If there's any pain, like you have got gastritis, peptic ulcer, gastric ulcer, or severe colitis, can be. Colitis can be any type, And these things are very, very important to keep in mind. And that's what I go on, all the time. Because it depends, you don't know what you are suffering and I am suffering. So we have to be very careful. And then again, if you had major surgery, don't do for 4 to 6 months. Even if you have minor surgery, you consult your teacher or your physician before doing any step, because they guide you what to do and how long to do it. Even we know that after cataract surgery, we have to be careful. So we advise them about that. And then again, if you're pregnant or if you're trying to get pregnant or you're having period, please don't do it. And do as much your body allows you. So there we are. If you want, time is very short and I talk a lot. 1 stroke, 1 second. Now here we are using 2 powers. One can say 1 soft and 1 medium. We are not doing fast, especially on the Zoom. And nobody should do it. You do it according to that, your body. Otherwise, there will be trouble. The same, here your attention is on the exhaling. Automatically, you're breathing in. That is passive, So exhale, 1 stroke, 1 second, and make sure the whole abdomen is moving. Otherwise, some organs will left behind. In the center is your pancreas, here. The right hand side under the hip bridge is your liver, gallbladder. The same level is your spleen this side, kidneys are behind, and your stomach, duodenum, jejunum, small intestine, large intestine going down to rectum and anus. The effect is going up to there. And this is very, very important. That whole abdomen should be moving. That's why we say, put a hand like this across your abdomen. One hand underneath the nostril to check you are doing the proper technique. You're not breathing in, you're breathing out. You can feel the warm air coming on your palm. There we are. And nowadays, we have all starting doing the poses with the Kapal Bharti, Mandukasana. We are putting thumb in, and this area is facing each other at the navel. Breathe in, breathe out. If there is no back problem, undo your Kapal Bharti. If there's a neck ache, just stay facing straight, you know. But if there's no problem, carry on. Breathe in, breathe out fully, squeeze your stomach and come down. And give a smile on your face. You're getting so many benefits. Okay, breathe in and come up. Second pose, left hand at the navel, right at the top. Breathe in and breathe out fully. Squeeze your stomach in and come down. Kapal Bharti. Slowly and slowly. 5 times, 10 times, 20, 30, 60. And Swamiji says for every pose, it should be 2 minutes. If you want to get rid of this pancreas problem, liver problem, intestinal problem, the constipation, weight balancing. Excretory system, production of good hormones, get rid of bad lipids. Get rid of extra urea, creatinine, uric acid. Balancing all the electrolytes, the minerals. Then breathe in and come up slowly. Again, they do on those 5 poses. Kapal Bharti, Shashakasana. Shashak means rabbit. We are all rabbit now. Breathe in, take your arms up, stretch. Look at the ceiling and do Kapal Bharti. You can see your stomach jumping. Very good. Once again, breathe in, stretch, breathe out, go down, keeping in mind all the precautions while you're going down. You can touch the ground, do the Kapal Bharti if you can. Don't push yourself because enough pressure is coming from your thighs to your abdominal organs. Then breathe in, take your arms up again, right up again. Then look straight, bring your arms by the side very slowly, no rush. Cow's pose, Gomukhasana. Make sure the knees are in a line. The right arm is going very close to the ear. Try to touch your both hands if you can, otherwise do the acting. Kapalbhati. Release. Other side. Make sure the knees are in a line, but don't do too much if there's a problem with the knee and the hip. Left arm is going behind, close to the ear. The right is going to catch up and meet together with a smile. Kapalbhati. Then release. Next is, I do my Vakarasana this way. The right leg is bent. The left one is stretched out, bringing my right knee very close to my left leg. And then I am looking, taking the right arm behind. Then look over my shoulder and see as far behind I can go. Now at this position, my left side of the organ of abdomen is getting activated. The spleen, the left kidney, some part of intestine, and the pancreas. Stay as long you feel comfortable. Do your Kapalbhati, please. Then breathe in and look straight. Other side. Now, I have stretched my right leg. Left knee is bent very close to the right. And I'm holding with my right hand to bring it close. Now, I will demonstrate how to modify this. Now, the left hand is going behind and I'm looking over my left shoulder and try to go back as far as possible. And now my right side organs are getting activated in the abdomen. The liver, the gallbladder, right kidney, some part of intestine, and pancreas. Pancreas get the benefit because it is in the center. Then breathe in and look straight. Now I have modified this. Let's see if you got a lot of problem in your knees. You can't bend. So you just do like this. You have seen Mr. Kodas doing this. But if you can manage, because we are still doing on the chair, we are not on the ground. It's not a must. You can do so much. 95% of the things you can do sitting on the chair. Pranayam you can do, that's no problem. Exercises 95% you can do. Rather, people are enjoying more, The next one is Yog Mudra Asana. Now, this is best done in Padmasana, which I can't do it. So we do our own style. Second pose of Mundukasana. Breathe in, breathe out, go down to the ground. Imagine your chin is touching the ground. And you can do Kapalbhati if you can. Then come up slowly. Now I'm going to make it more strong. Sit in the front part of your chair. Take your arms behind, holding them. Then breathe in, breathe out, go down. Raise your arms up. See how much pressure you're getting from your thighs on your abdominal organs. If you can manage, do Kapalabhati well and good. Otherwise, don't worry. Enough pressure is coming to give good jogging to those organs. Good for your shoulder also. For the arms to get rid of extra weight, make them active. I don't know how much you want me to do because I go on explaining and takes a long time, you know,
No,
where
no,
we are.
that is well done. Excellent.
Hmm?
And I can add a big story onto
I
that.
love doing it.
You're great. You're connecting with people. That's more important. That's why a lot of people are good yoga teacher, but they can't connect with people. You have that kind of charm about you. No.
ये
But
महारानी की कृपा और स्वामी जी के ब्लेसिंग है और आपके
नहीं,
आशीर्वाद सबके.
नहीं,
Good
नहीं,
wishes
सबका-
from everyone.
I'll tell you a big story about Merudan Mudra. When I was in Los Angeles,
Yes.
one of our members had a car accident. So they wanted to do a surgery, but he didn't want to do surgery.
Mhm.
That's why I learned this mudra, Merudan Mudra. I met some of the group of people, yogis, and then we told him to do this spine and do deep breathing for half an hour. That stretch the middle to the bottom, L4, L5, like elastic band. And then doing that itself, and then doing this way, your muscle goes in and out. That supports the spine. So spine can stay stretched, doesn't fall down. So doing all those exercises, he managed to fix himself. Now he's still there, walking, doing everything, just sleeps on the timber floor and all that. And he's doing well, just using mudra. And he's a very good yogi as well now. He's doing pranayam and all that things you're talking about it. So Merudan Mudra is you do this way, do the end way, this way, and that way. Those four can fix the spine back completely. So mudra plays a big part on it, as you are saying. Even people with asthma, chin mudra and adi mudra. If you do those, your asthma attack will go away. Definitely. You expand your lung capacity more than other. But thank you very much. And let's hear some comment from others. I don't want to speak myself all the time. Anybody want to say something, any point at all? And I'm sure there will be nothing negative to talk about because she talked about all the right thing. On you go. Somebody want to say something? Unmute yourself and talk. And you can unmute yourself. Please say something, somebody. Kantai Bhan, Sital Bhan always says something,
Yeah.
never keep quiet.
It was
Say
a
something.
brilliant session.
The last. उसने अच्छा किया वो प्रोफेशनल वे किया है ना वो सभी को प्रोफेशनल रीते एक्सप्लेन किया है क्योंकि वो डॉक्टर है तो फूड ऑर्गन्स का सभी पता है तो इसीलिए सभी को ज्यादा मालूम ऐसे इंफॉर्मेशन मिली है.
Excellent. Yes.
Very nice information.
Thank you very much. अभी तो
Okay.
टाइम नहीं है, नहीं तो और भी चलते आगे.
Jyotisha.
Meena ji.
देते रहे ना सुदर्शना जी.
Hello. Thank you, Auntie.
Raj ji, boli kuch.
I just want to say thank you, Auntie. That's all I
Excellent. Well done. Good.
it was nice.
Thank you very much. It's lovely. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
हम
Carry
तो
on.
plumber. I'm the plumber. हम जब कुछ बोलते हैं, वही लोगों को विश्वास नहीं होता है.
अरे बाबा,
आप
you have
बोलते हैं,
got
तो लोगों को
vast
विश्वास होता है.
I bow down to you. मैं आपको
No, no.
प्रणाम करती हूँ. You have got, because you are working very hard, you know. You are getting
No.
so much information that adding up on Swamiji's, you know, basic yoga everybody knows now. Everybody knows.
That's right.
But if you add up
Very, very true.
Then we understand more, we are enjoying more, we are learning more, and you are giving us inspiration to go on learning more and more.
But Sudarshan ji, you have so much energy. I said, and I gather a lot of energy from you as well. Just looking at you someday, watch your video as well. Your yoga class is lovely, excellent. So
बस
really,
इस
thank you very
तरह
much for
भगवान
coming
की
on
कृपा बनी रहे, स्वामी जी
and
के
giving.
कृपा चलते
आप पर
रहे।
भी खूब माता जी का कृपा रहे, and वैसे ही आप कीर्तन करते रहिए, लोगों को जोड़ते रहिए
चलो
अपने
एक दिन
समूह।
कीर्तन कर देते हैं आपको।
जरूर एक दिन
एक
कीर्तन भी हो
दिन
जाएगा,
कीर्तन कर
कोई
दें।
दिक्कत नहीं। हाँ जरूर, एक
We
शाम
will all
को
sing
नेक्स्ट वीक
any
कभी है ना
bhajan,
समय।
Mata Rani, Lord Krishna,
हाँ,
Lord
that'll be
Ram,
nice.
Shiva, Shivji, because that is very important, you know. We
नेक्स्ट सोमवार
start
को,
our session with
तो
that,
नेक्स्ट
you know.
सोमवार को कर लेते हैं। नेक्स्ट सोमवार को शाम को है ना 7:30 से 8 भजन कर लेते हैं।
चलो
शिव जी
चलो
पे।
जब कहोगे।
ठीक है ना?
वो तो हमारी खुराक है,
Next
खुराक
week
है
I
वो।
am not present, sir. Following week, please.
नहीं वीडियो में डाल देंगे ना, you can see it afterward.
हाँ, ठीक है,
YouTube में डाल देंगे।
Okay, okay.
नहीं नहीं उस वक्त हम पहले सोच लेंगे कौन से भजन हमने गाने हैं। Whether you want Mata Rani, you want Lord Krishna or Lord Rama or Shiv Shankar, Bholenath or Ganesh Ji Maharaj. Then we can prepare ourselves. We will all be singing together, turn by turn, as I do my devotional programs. Turn by turn, everybody will be singing, not me only.
The thing is, if you're doing it Monday, it will be Shiv Ji ka. If you're doing it Wednesday, it will be Ganesh Ji ka. ऐसे करने से
Yes,
Tuesday
there
रहेगा
you are.
हनुमान जी का. So that way it's connecting with the whole thing. But thank you
Karo,
very
karo,
much. Have a
karo.
lovely evening to everybody. Thank you,
Okay.
Sudarshan ji again.
Thank
One
you.
thing I'm going
Yeah.
to request
Now,
you, Sohal ji.
Surekha Ben
Oh,
Lilu,
listen, listen, listen.
take the class. They
Okay,
all
li-
passed level 1.
We
Okay,
will
so
very soon.
सैम जी
Okay.
एक और बात आपसे पूछनी है।
yes, बोलिए.
Dr.
do
Saab,
next
my
time.
husband,
हाँ,
he is doing a special session on relaxation,
okay.
and I think if you give him chance,
Yeah,
he
yeah.
will do that demonstration, maybe for about 15 minutes maximum.
No way. I'll give him one of the evening class, 7:30 again. If
Yeah,
he wants
yeah,
to do it any next week sometime, or you can do it. You can do it tomorrow if he wants to do tomorrow night.
Tomorrow. Yes, he can do tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow
It
perfect.
takes about 15 minutes.
कल का हम
And
सोच
in
रहे थे
that-
क्या करना है. कल का हम सोच रहे थे क्या करना है, तो हमको रास्ता मिल गया. देखो भगवान ने
Oh,
माता जी
yeah.
ने जोड़ दिया. देखिए.
No, he did one session last week in the evening, and everybody enjoyed, you know.
That's good. No,
You
no.
go into that relaxation, how to do that, how to start, and then you're going into Shavasana.
That's it.
And
No
one day
problem.
you give me chance, I will be doing Yog Nindra.
Wow.
That's it. That's it.
I love that, Yog Nidra.
No. So thank you again, everybody, and I'll see you. I see you to all tomorrow evening as well. And tomorrow morning we have a class anyway,
Tomorrow morning.
9 to 11. And Sudarshan ji busy with her class as well in the morning.
Yeah, in the morning, my class.
Om, everybody, take care. Have a lovely rest of the evening.
Okay, thank you very much once again.
Thanks
Thank
again.
you.
Friends,
Thank
you
you.
are
See you
encouraging me.
tomorrow.
You are encouraging me, my friends. You are encouraging me. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you.
Thank you, Sudarshan ji. Thank you,
Oh.
Mataji.
Thank you.
Om.
I will
Thank
say
you
the
all.
last
Thank you.
mantra now.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. God bless.
Om Purnamida Purnamidam Purnyat Purnmuchyate Purnasya Purmadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Hari Om Tat Sat Hari Om Tat Sat Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you once
Yeah.
again.
Jai Mata Ji ki.
Okay,
Jai
Jai
Mata
Mata Di. Jai Mata.
Ji.
God bless you all.
Okay, Radhe Radhe. Take care. Om.
Radhe Radhe.